How to fix update KB5121767 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps. First of all, try installing the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, launch a browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog in the address bar. Press enter. Click on this link. After accessing Microsoft Update Catalog, type the Windows Update number in the search bar. Click on search. You will find multiple files in the list. Find the file compatible with your system. For this, you can check the system type of your computer. Click on Start. Go to Settings, System, scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system and the version is 25H2. Check yours and find the supporting file. Once found, click on the respective download button. On this pop-up, click on the link. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on this file. Preparing the installation. Security update for Windows KB5101650 is already installed on this computer. It means security update is installed on my computer. On your computer, a dialog box will appear. You will have to click on yes and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If the issue still persists, fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here you will find Fix problems using Windows Update. For this setting, click on Reinstall now. Click on OK on this pop-up. Once you click on OK, repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be automatically started downloading. Let the download complete. After downloading is completed, a restart now button will be appearing here. Click on that button and wait until the process is completed. After completion of the process, again open settings and come to this page, Windows Update settings page, and click on check for updates. Security update will be downloading here. After downloading, restart your computer and install the security update. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt appears, go to the video description to find some commands. You will find these commands in the video description. You have to run these commands one by one. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same manner, run all these commands, then close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed and no error code appears. If the error still appears, modify services. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for App Readiness in the list, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic here. If it is not automatic, click on this drop down and select automatic. Then click on apply. The service status should be showing running here. If it shows stopped, then click on start. Click on OK. In the same way, look for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic. If it is not, click on apply. Now click on start. If service status is stopped, click on OK. Then come to cryptographic services. Right click on this service, select properties, make sure that a startup type is automatic here also. If it is not automatic, then click on the drop down, select automatic and make sure that service is running. Click on apply, click on OK. At last, look for Windows update, right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic. If it is not automatic, click on apply, click on start if the service is stopped and click on OK. Then close the services window and check for updates and try to install it. The next method is run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. Now you will have to go to video description. You will find these commands. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Wait until the process is 100% completed. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates again. If any methods don't work, perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link which says download Windows 11. Scroll down to this section, download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download and select this option for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link here and follow the steps accordingly. Click on confirm. Now you have to select the product language. For this, click on start, click on settings, go to time and language, click on language and region. This is Windows display language. This is the product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and click on the same from the drop down. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. After downloading is completed, click on File Explorer icon. Go to Downloads. Right click on the ISO file. Select Mount. On the Open File Security warning pop-up, click on Open. Right click on setup.exe. Select Open. Uncheck this box. This option will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and the security update will be installed along with Windows 11. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.